guys, welcome back to my channel. And welcome back to Vlogmas day 13. So today I'm going to be filming a little grocery shop with me slash what I got at the grocery store haul, whatever you want to call it. But if you've never seen one of my videos before, hi, I'm Lydia, aka literally Lydia on YouTube, and I film all sorts of different content, including vlogs. I do a lot of grocery hauls, clean with me's, day in my life vlogs, that kind of thing. So yeah, I hope you subscribe down below and like this video. And yeah, so I'm gonna do a grocery haul of what I got at the grocery store today. It was so crazy for a Sunday grocery shopping, and we went right when it opened just so we could get in and out, especially with all like the Christmas like shopping and stuff. It's so crazy out there. So anyway, I'm going to start with what we got. And just kind of show you everything that we got at the grocery store and what I plan to do with it for the week. So first off, we have celery, and I'm going to juice this and make a green juice. We have 3 cucumbers. So one I plan to use as a juice, one to make Greek salad, and then the other one, maybe 2 to juice, and then 1 to make Greek salad with. Then we got some onions just to add into different meals and that kind of thing. I got 2 avocados, 1 for avocado toast, and 1 to make like within the Greek salad. Got broccoli, which we're gonna have tonight with steak and potatoes. Whole big thing of spinach that I plan to use in my smoothies and also my green juices. And then we got some dill to add to our Greek bowls that we're making. Then we got some green onions to add to like various different things. We eat green onions all of the time. I got a big bag of oranges because I've been making this carrot orange ginger juice, and it is seriously amazing. So I got a big bag of oranges so I can make a few of those this week. I got a red onion, 2 different types of apples. I got Honeycrisp apples, the red apples, and then I got 4 green apples to add to my various juices. I add the green apples, not Frank, into my orange juice and then also into my green juice that I make. And then we also got a big bag of carrots that I add into the orange juice thing that I make. Big thing of mushrooms. Finally, for the fruits and vegetables, we have a thing of grape tomatoes, and then we have some riced cauliflower. And what I do with the riced cauliflower is I heat this up. You just heat it up in the microwave, and I add this in with my rice. So it's like a good source of vegetables. It's good to add more vegetables into your diet, and you can't even taste the difference. Frank. Shh. I'm trying to film, buddy. Meats. I got some smoked black forest ham to make sandwiches, and some salmon to make salmon bowls. So I'm going to pre-cook the salmon and the rice for the week, so I can have that all ready for lunches. And then we got 2 of these lean ham steaks. I don't know, my dad picked those out. I don't normally eat that. But then for dairy, we got some Cracker Barrel Old Cheddar. We got some cream cheese to make ice cream cake, and I'll be doing a video with that as well. And then we got sour cream. And then we got almond milk, unsweetened vanilla. For grains, we got 2 bags of Tostito scoops. We got 1 thing of whole wheat English muffins, whole wheat wraps, and sourdough bread. And that is everything for the grocery haul. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all of this stuff away, and then I'm going to get into my meal prep for the week. So first I'm gonna meal prep. Well, first I wanna do 2 juices. I wanna do a green juice and an orange juice. So I have those for the first few days because juicing only lasts for probably like 2 to 3 days in the fridge. So I'll probably drink 1 today and 1 tomorrow. Oh mom, this green juice is so much better. Isn't that so cute? Come look. Looks good. Taste? Yep. So spinach, 1 green apple, 1 cucumber, and 1 lemon. Isn't that one so much better?
Yep. And even better fried. On ice it would be better.
Okay, so I just finished making my 2 juices. Here is the orange, ginger, and carrot. And here is the green juice, which is cucumber, apple, lemon, and spinach. And then with the pulp from the orange carrot juice, I made these carrot, orange, ginger muffins. And I'm just waiting for the oven to preheat. So I whipped these up and they have carrot and stuff like that in them from the pulp. So I'm just reusing that to make some delicious muffins. And this is the recipe. So right here is the recipe for the juice, and then this is the recipe for the muffins. So you can reuse, and then they made it into a bread, but I thought it would be better if I made it into muffins instead. So that is what we did. So I can't wait for this to be done, and then I'll do a little taste test. So I'm just watching some Vlogmas and doing that. Hey guys, so I forgot to end the video yesterday and I'm editing it now, so I just thought I would jump on and say thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions below on future videos you'd like me to film, please let me know. But if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, that is it for Vlogmas Day 13. I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 14. Bye!